Okay, we are still in the parabola, vertex at 0, 0, and the equation is x squared minus y is equal to 0. And then we have two equations in the vertex at 0, 0, that is y squared is equal to 4px. Wherein we all know kapag ito yung ating equation, ang ating parabola opens to the right or left. And then x squared is equal to 4py kapag ang ating parabola opens upward or downward. So what will be our equation here given that the x squared minus y is equal to 0? That is obviously x squared minus 4py. So yung x squared minus y is equal to 0, equate muna natin ito para si x squared lang maiwan sa ating left side. So x squared is equal to, it will become positive. So positive y. And then, so therefore, yung punta ulit tayo dun sa equation, that is x squared is equal to 4py. 4py. So substitute natin, x squared, our x squared here is y. Tama? So substitute natin, y is equal to 4py. To solve for p, let's divide both sides by 4y. 4y. So therefore, our p here is, cancel 1/4 or 0.25. 1/4, I mean. 1/4. Bakit ko ginawang decimal? Para madali nyong ma-plot sa coordinate plane. That is 1/4. So, we all know if this is opens upward or downward, yung ating focus sa coordinates of 0p. Hindi na p0. Kasi kapag p0 yan, class, babalik ka dun sa opens to the right or left. So therefore, our focus is 0 and 1/4. So what will be our directrix? That is negative 1/4. Ganun lang. And then we will plot this one. Ate, problema, paano na to? Times plus o divide times. Ano yun? Saan ka na? Ano ba ginawa mo? Bakit may ganun pa? Negative 2, x squared is equal to negative 5 2y. Tapos, anong ginawa? Hindi, di ba, negative 5 over 2 na yan. Tapos, yung 4y na lang natitira. Kapag minultiply mo yan, maging times 1/4, parang ganun. Kaya parang, dahil whole number yan, hindi fraction, multiply mo lang yan sa denominator. Kaya 2 times 4, ganun. 5/8, negative 5/8. So, negative 5/8 sa sagot. Ang lamig! Okay, let's plot. That is 0.14. What is 0.14 or 0.25 yung 1/4 natin? So, nandito yung 0.25. Nandito yung vertex, nandito yung focus natin. Which is 0.14. And then, yung itsura ng ating parabola ay pag ganyan. Opens upward. Kasi positive si P. Okay, sorry for the graph. Kasi hindi makaroon tong aking lamesa. And what will be our directrix? That is negative 4. So, nandito yung ating directrix. Negative 4. So, the value of y is equal to negative 1/4. Y is equal to negative 1/4. That is our directrix. Okay? So, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga arrow. Okay, for the last example na tayo sa ating parabola. By the way, bakit hindi 1/4 Kasi kapag 1/4 yan, class, nandito na yung ating focus. So, kung nandito yung focus, ang magiging itsura at yung vertex natin nandito, ang magiging itsura ng parabola mo opens to the right na. Which is wrong kasi yung x squared natin, dalawa lang ang choice niyan, opens upward or downward. Kaya mali na kapag opens to the right. Hindi rin pwede na nandito si focus sa gilid, and then yung itsura ng parabola mo ay pag ganyan. Kasi tandaan ninyo na si parabola laging nasa loob niya si focus. Okay, hindi sa gilid or sa likod. Okay? Kaya kapag ginawa mo 1/4 yan, mali. Kaya mapapansin mo agad yung iyong answer kung tama. Kaya dapat alam mo na yung x squared, it's either opens upward or downward. Kasi kung yung drawing mo is pa ganyan na, ibig sabihin mali yung drawing mo. Okay? Yung graph mo mali. I mean.